we are back with another DIY RV-friendly decorating video for the holidays, and this time, we're decorating for Christmas. So we just finished decorating our house, and we're about to take the Airstream out on the road, and so we thought, you know, let's put a few decorations in there. So we're gonna DIY 3 small, space-friendly, RV-friendly little pieces of holiday decor right now. You ready? You ready for this?
Show me.
Okay, Jason, what is first on the list? That's not it. You can put that down.
Christmas tree garland, DIY. All right, so we got a few supplies here, not too much. What does it cost to put together?
So this comes in at just under $4.50 to make a whole string of garland. It's just yarn, twine, and a few wood beads and little like plastic metallic pony beads you can get at a craft store. And a scrap piece of cardboard and just some scissors. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so first you take your little piece of scrap cardboard and you make it the length that you want to make your tassels. So now we're working on the tassels. So yarn, a little cut. So this is gonna kind of hang towards the top, and you're gonna take your, our dog wants to eat these,
this is the next
whatever
one.
those are, I think they're toys. This short piece you just cut's gonna hang at the top, and then you're just gonna wrap it around lengthwise like this. I was wrapping mine around about 20 times. And then you're gonna take the top here that the little piece that you cut off, you're gonna tie it in a pretty good knot, and then find the bottom here and just cut it off. Like it? Yeah, oh gosh, you really grabbed it. Then you're gonna cut off a few more inches like you did for the top piece here, and all you're doing here is tying it around the top of it, so everything lays down nice and flat. See, now you have a tassel. We're gonna finish them off with a little gold pony bead at the top.
Pony bead.
Yeah. Okay, now that you have your little tassel made, we're going to attach it to the garland. So you're gonna take your twine, and then at the end here, you're gonna start threading through your beads. So you'll have a knot on either side here, and then you'll start incrementally adding your little green tassels into it.
And you can make it whatever length you want.
You can, yes.
Yep.
And you tie your tassel to the twine. Give it a good few knots here, and then I'll let you cut the top. Just cut it like right there. And you keep adding tassel bead all the way down till you get to the end. And when you're finished, you'll have a little something like this.
You made that quick.
I know, movie magic. You can wear it for the rest of the video. Like a little necklace.
Thank you. Cute. I've wanted this. I've been too shy to ask. All right, I got this. What's next?
Next, we are gonna do a DIY peace wreath. Where did it go? There it is. Okay, so we have all the supplies out for the peace wreath. You have little sprigs of greenery, get it at any craft store. And this is about how much I got for this one, as well as some pretty firm wire here. And then just a wreath form, I guess these were called, which are just a few bucks. All of this came in at about $35, but I think it's gonna be really cute. The one extra tool you're gonna need for this are wire cutters, wire snips, cutters, whatever. So we're making the top of the peace sign.
The peace sign?
Yeah. So you're going through one of these vertical bars here at the bottom, and you're just attaching your wires. This is just really easy here. You're just making a line all the way down to the bottom.
These are good.
And then you're attaching it around the bottom. You see what's happening here?
I see.
And just wrap it around the bottom here. And now we're gonna make the bottom of it, the little legs. Is that what you call them?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, and we're finally, this is a little bit more tedious than I thought it was gonna be.
So close.
Wrapping around and around. Okay, now there's the starting point. Jason is my
Cut all these?
cutter, yeah. Okay, now that we have our little sprigs, we're gonna start attaching them to the wreath. And to do that, we're gonna cut a bunch of pieces of wire like so and start overlaying them all the way around. So we're attaching it here and then we're taking the bottom and just twisting it around. Boom, just like that.
Done.
Okay, so I'll work some of these little metallic pieces in just for a little bit of flair.
Flair. How many pieces of flair do you have?
Are we required to have 15? Look! This is so cute. Second craft down. Don't drop it and ruin it. Oh my gosh, look at the table. We need to get a video of the table. Makes a bit of a mess.
All right, what's next? I see a lot of stuff here.
Yeah, look at all this fringe. I pulled out all the fringe for you today to make these little trees. So third on the list is little tiny RV size friendly Christmas trees. And the cost of this really depends on what kind of fringe you can find. So, I mean, they vary in price, big time. So the only constant would probably be, hi, are you awake? Riley's awake.
Hey, buddy.
Our grandpa woke up.
Yep.
So the only constant cost, pretty much, would be the foam trees.
The foam trees.
Yeah, which are like $2 to $3 a piece. So what you need for this, fringe, trees, and hot glue, and scissors.
And a hot glue gun.
Hot glue gun, hot glue gun. Ready to make your first tree?
Yep.
Okay, start with this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a band of glue around the bottom where you're gonna start with the first line of branches. Don't burn yourself. Don't get glue on the table. Don't burn the cone.
You can burn the cone?
No. Okay. And there you have the first row of branches.
Nice.
Now keep on going. We're at the very top now. We're gonna add the last bit of fringe. We have fringed out this tree to the max. I don't know what to say to that. And we're leaving a little gap at the top so we can stick an ornament inside so it's not showing a green top there.
Gotta be fancy.
Yeah. I found ornaments with a pointy top so you can stick it in the end of the tree so you're not seeing that foam. And then a little dot of glue at the top. Stick your ornament in. Look at him. That's really cute. So once you do that, you just need to trim around the bottom and get rid of the excess fringe so it can sit nicely. This is a real salon cut right here. Okay, should we stop here or do you think it needs a little more flair?
It needs more flair.
Oh, I have flair.
I'm glad you asked.
I have flair. There's so much flair, I can't even find the end.
So it's same as before, just cut, measure cut, and hot glue, but
Yeah,
only
just
on work
tack
next.
the back of it. Look at this little tree you just made.
Perfect.
Now,
And it comes in different sizes.
I was gonna say, does it have any others to go with it?
Boom.
You have to put
Riley
them in
made that one.
a trio. Oh my gosh.
All right, we got our DIY decorations done that you did and I kind of watched.
Yeah, pretty much.
Let's go decorate the RV.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna make this in one trip. Okay, we're here at our RV. It's been in storage and we're about to decorate it for Christmas. Come on in. Yeah, they can go in the window. This was clearly done on purpose. Look at that match. And I already have, show this nifty hook here. I keep a 3M hook here in the center all the time for hanging lights or garland or anything like that. So I already have a place to hook it. Okay, now we're gonna hang our little wreath here, and because we have a very different door than a traditional home door, you can't use a wreath hanger. So you have to get creative and use something like this, which is just a little 3M hook with a metal tab. It looks straight, right? Straight enough. Look at that. You just have to take it down when you dry it. Just remember that. That's perfect. That's really cute. All right, now you're ready for the holidays. Let us know your favorite way to decorate an RV down in the comments. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.